Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Four of Bengaluru's oldest railway stations, Dodjalla, Devanahalli, Avatihalli, and the Nandi Halt, are getting a makeover. These four stations lie along the Bengaluru-Chikkaballapur light railway line, a meter gauge which was inaugurated back in 1915 under the Mysuru government and is one of the oldest railway lines of this region. Back in February this year, the Bengaluru division of the South Western Railway signed a memorandum of understanding with the Indian Trust of Art and Cultural Heritage, or INTAC as we know it, for the renovation and the preservation of these four stations. I'm right now outside the Dodjalla railway station in Chikkajalla, right in the outskirts of Bengaluru, which will be the first railway station to be refurbished under this project.
This entire route is a historic route. It is called Bangalore-Chikkaballapur Light Railway Line. Okay, so it is actually sanctioned in 1909, and it is sanctioned by Mysore government, and the company which was who's undertaken the construction is Bangalore-Chikkaballapur Light Railway Company. So actually, it's all the stations are like around 105 years old, and it's very historically significant, and it's part of this old railway line. And so we have just started the restoration works of Dodjalla railway station. So if you can see, it's a mix of British colonial and vernacular style of architecture, and it has a very nice, so it is comprised of the layout. The typical layout is comprised of a main central hall which has a double height space and a veranda surrounding it, and there is a small room next to the main central hall. So the main central hall has a very nice roof system which is comprised of I sections and timber rafters and reapers, and it is actually a gable roof. If you can see, it's a gable roof with a circular windows on all four sides, and it has a very beautiful decorated eave board along the gable and the roof. So it's basically, the structure is built of stone masonry and mud mortar. It is plastered inside with mud mortar. So right now we are like recreating the old typology. So we are not doing anything to the structure. We are just completely restoring the structure. We are doing some structural consolidation works. So when we first visited the site, there are a lot of structural cracks, and the roof was entirely damp, and there was a lot of seepage from the roof because the tiles were broken, and there are some rafters which are under a bad condition because due to the dampness from the roof. So we are right now focusing on the restoration of this. And the most interesting part is this veranda surrounding this structure. The veranda is floored with chapadi stone, which is basically granite. And another interesting part is the old ticketing counter, if you can say. So it's basically here. So this is a old system that they followed. There is a ticketing window which is old, and there is a structure like this in front for the visitors. So the visitors will, so the people will come, take ticket, and go to the railway station here.
Over the years, the structures have gathered dust and have nearly been forgotten. At the Nandi Halt and Avatihalli stations, the prince spotted squatters who had taken over, while the Devanahalli station looked all the more decrepit since a new one was built a few years back and is being used in its stead.
And they were not being used basically. So we thought we should do something about this to make sure that it gets used. And but then they were in a bit of a bad condition, not too much, but then they needed work. So last July or something, we gave a proposal to Southwestern Railways here in Bangalore, saying that we will restore Dodjalla station. Then they got back to us, and then by that time we were already thinking we should do the other stations also. So that's how we picked up these four stations, because they are all one after the other. And then we entered into an MOU sometime in Feb 2021. We entered into an MOU with them to restore the four buildings.
In Southwestern Railway, there was the Mysore Museum, which came about in a big way, and that inspired us. Along with there was a Malgudi Museum in Mysore division. So now, and Hubli also has its own railway museum, which was again inaugurated last year. So when both these divisions were having their own heritage, items to showcase, how can Bangalore be left alone? So we thought that yes, we should also try to search our own heritage items which we can showcase. So then we found out, yes, that these are some of the things we can also preserve and showcase as heritage.
According to the renovation plans, Intac will convert certain areas of the four stations into exhibition centers while retaining the functional parts of these stations like the ticketing room.
Basically, we are restoring the structure, retaining all the architecture elements in place. Maybe we'll repurpose the structure into a visitor center or something where people can come and see the old structure and enjoy the beauty of it. So the main central hall, this is one of the proposals that we have given. The main central hall can function as a exhibition center, showcasing the history of the place. Because this place is also historically significant because of the Chikchala fort and all. Those premises is also historically important, significant. We are planning to repurpose the central hall to an exhibition hall where people can come and enjoy the structure, and also so the small room which you can see will function as a ticketing counter.
It is like a win-win situation for both Intact, for the public and for the railways, because at every point we have mentioned that our core activity of transportation, that should not be hindered at any place. So the place what is available for say selling tickets or the platform structure, that will not be encroached or changed upon by Intact. Only it will be given a facelift, so it will be a pleasant even for the passengers also and for the railway staff also working, so that the heritage also is conserved.
See, here we have chosen only restoration of work. It is not a replacement of the any building structure. Intact will do only this restoration work using whichever material used for at the time of construction of that stations. That's why I think it is not much difference will happen. But only one thing what Jane said, like that it will be win-win situation for both Intact and also railways.
From Bengaluru, this is Angana Chakrabarti reporting for The Print.